Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you best secured credit cards for credit building. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're looking for the best secured credit cards as of right now, well, there are a few options that you may want to check. So the first one that you may want to check here is going to be Chime Visa Credit Builder Card. Now, this card completely skips the standard credit check and doesn't force you to lock up a fixed minimum security deposit. Instead, you just move whatever money you want from your Chime checking account into the credit builder account, and that exact amount becomes your spending limit. Now, because you are using cash you already have, it is impossible to overspend or get trapped in debt. Now, Chime automatically handles the monthly bill and reports your on-time history to all three major bureaus with zero annual fees or interest. Now, the next thing that you may want to check here is going to be Capital One Platinum Secured. Now, if you want a standard credit line but are short on cash here, well, Capital One allows you to start with an upfront refundable deposit as low as $49, depending on your credit profile. Now, it offers basic credit building functionality with zero annual or foreign transaction fees. Now, it doesn't feature cashback or flashy perks, but it reliably reports to all three bureaus every single month. You offer a potential path to earn your deposit back through responsible use. Now, next is you may want to check with Bank of America Customized Cashback Rewards Secured. Now, this card packs a massive punch of secured card, now giving you up to like 3% cashback on a category of your choice like gas, online shopping, or dining here, plus 2% on groceries and wholesale clubs. Now, you also get free monthly FICO score access, so the catch here is that your limit relies strictly on the size of your deposit. Now, there is no automatic upgrade path as well, and users or people use it sometimes find the complex terms frustrating to navigate. But then again, if you're already a customer of Bank of America here, it still may be a great option for you. Now, next is we have Navy Federal Cash Reward Secured. Now, if you have military ties and can join the Navy Federal here, this card offers a flat unlimited 1% cashback on all purchases with no categories to track. Now, what makes it incredible is its speed. Now, you get an automatic review for a credit limit increase after just 3 months and a highly structured path to upgrade to an unsecured card in as little as 6 months. Now, finally, we have the Discover It Secured. Now, the absolute gold standard for reward seekers. Now, you get 2% cashback at gas stations or restaurants, so up to like $1,000 per quarter, and 1% on everything else here. Now, the killer feature is Discover's first year match, which effectively jumps your bonus tier to massive 4% back during year 1. Now, best of all, they automatically review your account after like 7 months to upgrade you to an unsecured card and fully refund your deposit. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.